So you want to fine tune how something collides with one specific channel, that set collision response to channel. Now, not all collisions are equal. Maybe a projectile should ignore players but hit walls. This node gives you exactly that kind of control. Now to get this node, just right click and type in set collision response to channel and you will get this node. Now as you can see on the screen, we have few options like cube and cube 1. It is because the target is primitive component for this node. So we need a target, we need a component on which the collision can be applied. So for now we will choose this one, and as you can see we have the channel's name and then its new response. For now let's just remove both of these because we have an example prepared for us where we are following from our previous tutorial where we take the execution pin from event begin play, then I added a delay of 5 seconds. After that we set the simulate physics, and then after 5 seconds of which the cube 1 started to set simulate physics, the new response of the channel is set overlap. And for now let's just compile the code and press begin play and see what actually happens here. So as you can see on the screen, we have to wait 5 seconds, and after the 5-second wait it started to fall. Now it actually collided with the cube which is below it because the new response haven't set yet. But what you will find here interesting is even after 5 seconds nothing changes, even though the new response is already changed. Now what might be the reason for this? It is because for some reason there is a bug in Unreal Engine which I encountered just recently, that you have to reset the simulate physics, which I configured by reducing the time it needs to change the response. So here I changed the logic a bit, or you can say a bit upgraded it, is by switching off the set simulate physics for the cube which was falling, and then adding a delay of like 1 second, and after that 1 second it will again enable the simulate physics and then it will start falling. So if you encounter these kind of bugs, you can just work your way around like this or try something entirely new, maybe experiment a bit. But for now we will do with this, and let's just for now compile the code and see in action what happens when we press begin play. So as you can see it started falling immediately, then after the time it needs to change the response, and after it changed the response it will stop the set simulate physics and then again it restarted, and now as you can see on the screen it fall down. So you can just reduce the time and see it in real time, like as you can see on the screen. But now the main question is where you're going to use this kind of node. So it is used for stealth AI ignoring teammates, bullet passing through allies, or projectile only hitting enemies. It is the surgical strike for collision logic. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.